What is he doing now? What are you doing, kid?
Nothing. I mean, just a little bit of stuff. I undid the lower rad hose, loosened the top one here. And this just fell out, so that's good, that's good. Some locking parts. Alright.
So what are you doing?
Beautiful thing right here.
And why are we doing this?
Because mine has a itty bitty tiny pinhole. So I need a new one.
Alright.
Yeah.
Well, if Brendan can do it.
Anyone can do it.
I'm gonna run as fast as I can.
Alright, so there were these real long ones right here. These real long ones. They were in this little square in here. Right down in there, there's a square there. And then I took out some back here. So one right there, one right there. Where else did I take some out of?
Seems pretty loose.
Pretty loose.
And you're just
Yeah, and then
double
right
checking.
here. Then there were two in front right here.
Okay. Oh, you're lifting.
I know, but I just want to see how loose it is.
Probably if that there's, yeah, I guess you can with this.
Do you think I should take this off?
Not gonna hurt.
Alright.
Like 1, 2,
6.
4, 5.
Wasn't this part of it too? 1, 2, 3. No, it looks like it comes right over here. Yeah.
Oh yeah, so this has to be.
So that's at this thing.
Now put this past behind me and be a man. I'm kicking off all these boots I'm wearing. Living right now, sweating the small stuff. This time put it all aside, and yes, I've got my bearings. I'm in it for the timing, I'm in it for the fun, I'm in it for the long nights and the whiskey that makes me come undone. I'm in it for the loving, for your smile, oh, for the time of my life, you know that it's all worthwhile, yeah.
So,
Young guys, Mr. Holes. Oh, go Brandon. Go Brandon. Oh, so close, man. So close, man.
this clip right here, I want to call it a clip,
Yep, to the
Okay.
AC condenser.
goes to right here. Okay, so there's another hole, there's another one of these, another one of these down there more. So my problem was that this was getting stuck behind this lip here on the radiator, and we had to very finagle it out of there.
Catch me out here with my boys, not giving a damn about the world. Understand I'm living the dream and making my own choice.
love working on Jeeps. They're so much fun.
Do I really?
I said, did you? I'm your biggest fan. What is that?
It's going under here.
Yeah.
Well,
Don't forget to plug in the fan. Alright. So, Brendan had to go get ready for work. I told him I'd finish up for him. He did pretty good. Man, it's Radiator. Not hard, but if you've never done one before, if he can do it, you can do it. It's a little dirty, but right now all we're doing is burping out the system. So, let me show you that. Just have the vehicle running. Of course, yeah, his music playing. Alright, so just need the vehicle running. So then right now it is cold because there's air pockets in it, and we just started it. So all the way up, all the way over to the hot, full blast, let it run. It'll circulate this whole system, pushing any air pockets to the top, popping and filling up with fluid. So once again, it's not hard. A couple bolts. I think he used a pair of pliers, a screwdriver, flathead, and a 10mm 3/8 socket on the ratchet. 3 tools. He took out the radiator at 16 by himself. Pretty dang good. He can do it. You can do it. More pocket build coming.